Hi guys, I'm gonna make an unboxing on the Hello Watch 2. It's the fake Apple Watch Ultra. So you got but anyway, you can on this side about this on AliExpress, and you can choose the band you want. So I choose the orange one, like the original, and I choose the black one too. But I never choose this. What I received those as a gift. A screen protector and a case protector. But at this price, I don't think I'm gonna put them on it. It's gonna be just more bulky. So, this watch, it's around $35 USD. And like 48 Canadian. So you got a little wireless charger, USB. And the main thing. Something. So, how power this? Nice. So I need to download the apps. So I'm not gonna make this now, but I'm gonna make another video about it. So we got some sensors. I read a lot on because everything I bought, I really watch some video about it. I read about it on Reddit and many things, many forums, page. So I decided to take this one because it's the more reliable. It's got 1 gigs memories, and it's like a 1-1 replica. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to help the channel. So thanks again, guys. Peace.